Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Play by Sephora box. It's their answer to the Allure Beauty box, and since you guys really seem to enjoy my reviews of the Allure Beauty box, I thought I'd also share the Sephora box with you. Before we get into all of the goodies in here, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe, follow along on this journey. I'm gonna be including a lot more beauty product just content, as well as some of the other stuff I've been doing, like my vlogs and cooking. So I'm gonna open it up. And the first thing that's in here is this like horoscope for the year. It also includes these Sephora points. So that's nice. And then the rest of the box, there's this great pouch here. And it's super playful. It's a cute little pouch. And this is cute. On the back it says, opens bag, pours out samples, high fives self, hashtag Sephora Play. It's cute. That's cute. The first product in here is this Marjo hair care shampoo and conditioner. I have never used this brand before. I will definitely use it in my next hair wash and try it out. I'm all about trying new hair care products. So next is the Good Genes lactic acid treatment. And open this up. And it's just a sample size of the cream. It's a Sunday Riley product. I've used it and I love it. My husband also uses it and he uses it every single day. I don't use it as often just because I'm really working on keeping my skin super hydrated for the winter, but I do use it pretty regularly, like at least once a week, and my skin always feels anew after I use it. So it's an exfoliating cream that says it brightens and plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And I would agree that it definitely does this. Like I said, I've used this product and I'm a big fan. It's the Good Genes lactic acid treatment by Sunday Riley. But I really, and I said this in my last video, I really love Sunday Riley products. So this is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. So you can see it. It's a really small sample size. It smells okay. I mean, actually it doesn't really smell like anything. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of it. Let's see how it blends into my skin. It's really thick. And it goes on like really smooth. It feels like it would be a really good primer. Like it's really on there. It's really coated. Excuse my crazy dry lips. But this cream is like really coated on my skin. Doesn't smell like anything, but it feels really good. I'm gonna try it on my hand also. See how that feels. Oh yeah, that feels really good. So this is by Drunk Elephant, and I've used their like face peel mask before, and it's really good also. So I'm excited to try that with this because the peel mask leaves your skin feeling very naked. It basically like burns a layer of skin off. And then this is so hydrating that I bet it's like all the replenishment that you would need afterwards. So this morning I went ahead and incorporated the Drunken Elephant whipped facial cream moisturizer into my morning routine, and it was really nice, super hydrating. The texture of it was like really rich and felt kind of luxurious on my skin. It is a really like penetrating cream, so I don't think I would use it in the summer, but for the winter, definitely really great. Incorporated really well into my morning routine. My skin feels really, really good now with it. And this is the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Yeah, so it's an overnight mask. So I'll try it tonight. But I'm gonna just open it up just to see the texture and to show you. It is a gel. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a gel. I'm gonna use it on the other side from where I used the last cream. It smells like the spa. It's like very cucumbery, very clean. So I did go ahead and use the overnight mask last night while I slept, and it was amazing, like truly, truly wonderful. When I put it on, the texture was really nice. It left my skin feeling still wet, but to the touch it was dry. And then this morning when I woke up after sleeping in it, my skin felt really soft and totally rejuvenated. And I can't wait to go out and buy it and use it, you know, on a regular basis. If it's really expensive, I'll probably only use it once a week. Honestly, it works so well that might be good enough. But if it's affordable enough, then I will definitely be using it every single night. My skin felt so good this morning. And then here we have this Bite lip crayon. It's really pretty. It's like very elegant packaging. I quite like it. And then it's very sculptural. It feels really good on. It also smells really, really good, but it's kind of like hard, like actually hard. So it feels more like a lip pencil than a crayon. But once it's on, it's got like a lot of like nice hydration and oil, and it smells really, really good. And this is a color that I would wear every single day. So definitely a goodie. Actually really, really close to my Yves Saint Laurent mauve color. So this is actually a color that I do wear every day, which is really funny. But I like the pencil. It's also a little less, you know, flashy than my gold customized Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. So I'm glad to have this product. And the last is this Beauty Blender Cleanser by Solid. So I'm gonna go into the bathroom and show you whether or not it works. Okay, so here I'm going to open up the Solid Blender Cleanser and see how it works. According to the description that Sephora gave, it works on all makeup products. It's a charcoal soap. So here you can see it. The texture is very much soap-like. It's not charcoal-y at all. It's wax. And it smells really good. It's very like botanical smelling. So I wet the soap and the brush. I'm gonna try it on 3 different types of brushes. So this is a powder brush, very like soft and bristly, foundation brush, and also my Beauty Blender, which is so gross. So I'm very glad to have a chance to clean it. So the makeup brush and beauty blender cleanser definitely worked, but I felt like I was losing a lot of product holding it in my hand. And honestly, I prefer makeup cleansers that are like in a dispense bottle. You put a drop on the brush and clean it out. One positive I will say though is that I really would have never thought to clean my beauty blender until I saw it on the name of the packaging. I always thought beauty blender is just one of those things that you have to replace every month. Just gotta do it. But really pleasantly surprised with how clean I was able to get it. So this morning I checked on the brushes and the beauty blender that I used the charcoal soap on. And I have to say that after it's dried, the bristles and the beauty blender and everything were left really soft. So definitely an awesome product. Again though, I felt really uncomfortable holding the bar of soap last night when I was actually using it and washing the brushes. So I'm not a huge fan of that. But the outcome was amazing. Like my brushes look so clean and soft. There was definitely like no residue left over on them. So really good product. I just don't like the application. All right, so all in all, a good box, definitely worth the money. If you're a big Sephora shopper, definitely getting those points, I would think would be totally worth it. And I love Sephora, but I'm lazy and I buy everything on Amazon. So I really don't have a huge use for the Sephora points because I literally go to Sephora like once a year and I'll do a big like splurge and then I'm done. It's usually around Christmas when like I have gift cards. So for me, I don't need the points and I feel like I get more stuff out of the Allure box. So I'm gonna stick with that. After this morning and some of these products and how well they worked out for me, I'm really considering getting the Sephora Play subscription, at least for a few months, and trying it out with both the Allure Beauty box and the Sephora Play box. Thanks, Mom, for letting me try out your Sephora box, and I really enjoyed it.